Today's word is drama in the markets. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the Bubba's update for Monday, October the 11th. Christopher Columbus Day, which will no longer be, but it is the day, supposedly the holiday to discover America. And of course, this update is brought to you by our friends at the Capital Trading Group, CTG. Now, again, I remind you, I have many brokers, but my preference for futures and commodities is CTG. Very simple. The best customer service in the industry. They answer the phone. They're the only ones I've approved for letter of direction. They've got their own great managed futures products, and they handle all my accounts. Check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, what a night. The markets last night were getting ripped like it was the world was ending. And suddenly we get up this morning and in a holiday Monday, which the markets are open, which is unusual the way they're open, because they're all open, which is usually not the case, but they're all open. And now we're soaring higher. And of course, we're short across the board. But right now, the Dow's up 168. The Nasdaq's up 70. S&P up 22. And the Russell up 185. Hey, we'll see. We'll see what the end of the day brings. You take a look at gold and silver and platinum, of course. And remember our metals partner at Strategic Wealth Preservation. That's where I do all my shopping. They either for physical or for storage. Check them out. swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Yankee, Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. But I do all my shopping there. And of course, gold is a little bit higher right now. It was lower. It was higher. We're short, and I think it's going to take out the flash crash lows. That's just what I see right now. Silver's a little bit higher, getting closer to a potential reversal. And platinum, which would have reversed already, is flat. Okay. And the dollar is higher. We are long. The Bitcoin, oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Up 3,000, almost at 60,000 again. Looking to run potentially to new highs. Okay. We'll see. Look, we told you we liked it all the time, and we told you we believe in the crypto space. And of course, we're now an advisor for chips, mychips.io, Michael Yankee, Charlie Hotel India Papa Zulu.io. And their chip is CHPZ. You can check it out at Nomics. But again, I'm a believer in the crypto space, and they're looking to get into the sports industry, which could be cool. Okay. In the meantime, crude oil it's not as high as it was, but it is exploding higher. Okay. Well, it was up to 82.18 right now at 81.11. So off a buck from its highs, but still up almost $2 in the day. Listen, thank you, President Biden, and your ridiculous policies for cutting energy as the rest of the world suffers, needing natural gas, needing coal, needing everything. But we don't do any of that because we're so concerned with an environment that we're going to bust everybody and freeze everybody out this year so that we won't be able to take care of business. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But in the meantime, copper is popping higher. We're still short. Net gas was higher again this morning, but it's now turned around. I'm going to guess that net gas is going to reverse pretty soon here. But again, this is not the time of year that I typically like to be short, but we are still long net gas at the moment. And as we look at the bonds and notes, they're under a little bit of pressure. Not bad. They've come back quite a bit since the earlier lows. But interest rates are going higher, and the bond vigilantes are pushing like crazy, and they're going to continue to push. Okay, and I think the Fed is in trouble. I think the Fed is, so to speak, out of bullets. Okay, I don't know how much more ridiculous BS manipulation they can do. So we'll see what it looks like when it all comes said and done. And of course, in the grain markets, we are still short corn and beans and long wheat. And right now, corn is flat, beans are down a little, and wheat is above. We'll call it all flat. I mean, it doesn't really matter. You're talking about nothing in the big scheme of it. And in the protein complex, which is cattle and hogs, we're short them all except for hogs. All there's only 3 of them. We're short cattle, both fats and feeders. And I would say they're both pretty much flat. and hogs are down a little bit today. And as we move over into the softs, we are along everything but OJ. Cotton, as we said last week, we thought that was a blow off top. Although we're still long, cotton is at 109, which is down again after being higher this morning. Coffee is higher. Sugar is higher. Cocoa is lower. And OJ is under some pressure today. So, yeah, again, the markets are what they are. I can't tell you, what's going to happen or where they're going to go. I can only watch the price action and report to you what we can read and what the algorithms are telling us. In the meantime, there's a lot of bad news out there, and we continue to ignore the potential warning signs that the markets put out all the time. This is going to be, of course, the problem that we see all the time. This is nothing unusual. We have news out there that we continue to, not we, but many continue to ignore. And what happens when you keep ignoring news? Eventually, I go, oh, that was the reason. Well, I'm putting out a warning now. And again, I'm not predicting anything. I'm telling you that there are a lot of issues out there, and the money is the supply, money supply being grown by the Fed is not natural. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, and that is Trade Your Brokerage. I mean, for $10 a month, you have to be out of your mind to pay anything when you can do it for 10. They're just like CTG with great customer service. They have a wonderful team over there, and I have other brokers. But again, first of all, I save a fortune myself personally. Okay, but again, we've got the APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolios. If you're a member, it's no charge. We don't charge. Trader doesn't charge. And for the hedgers, we have a monthly fee for the software. But if you want to have automatic trading, hey, great. And if you're in the equity portfolios, you get the signals either way, whether you're automated or not. You don't have to trade a trader. We prefer them because, of course, it's a great service, but $10 a month. In the meantime, go to try.tradeyour.com/Bubba. That's try.tradeyour.com/Bubba. And of course, Family Farms does a wonderful job with farmers, just trying to make their jobs easier. Check them out, farmers. I endorse them. I speak with them all the time. And the only reason I'm in the farming end of the business is because I'm tired of watching farmers get screwed. Go to familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And in the meantime, also, of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. Look, there's nothing finer. If you're in the commodities business, okay, if you're trading commodities and you're not reading this report, you should seriously go see a doctor. This is by far the finest report. It also ties in our algorithms and, of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba-trading. Have a great trade, everybody. And, we lost a little bit last night on our football game. We could vault. Anyways, tonight, tough game. I don't know. I can't see Indianapolis. I think they stink, but I can't put a lot of stake in laying 7 with Baltimore. Pizza and a beer on the favorite, which I hate, and on top of it, if you like. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow. If you're off today, enjoy your holiday. We'll see you later.